Hi everybody, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I got my Fashionsta The Box. Did come to me at the very end of July, almost the last day of July, so I'm a little bit delayed doing this unboxing. This is the July box. Fashionsta tends to ship your boxes out very late in the month, so you usually don't get them till the end of the month. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I already had opened the palette to make sure it wasn't broken, so I'll leave that unboxed and I will be right back. It's themed Soulless Summer. Okay, and it came with 5 items. One of them is a face mask, which I wasn't crazy about having one of my items be a face mask, but let's wait and see how much it goes for and all that. Also, no code necessary if you want to purchase any bundles from the Fashionsta shop. You don't have to use a code. Apparently 75% off new bundles and past boxes. Okay, so to start with, we had the Poolside palette came in this box, and it's by IBY, which is a brand that I know and like. And let's see if I can open it with one hand without wrecking it. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if the colors are showing very well here, but yeah, they're beautiful colors. I just don't know if I would use all of them because there's a lot of pink in here and red, which screams eye infection to me. So I don't know. I haven't touched it. I'm not going to swatch it. I have to think about it. I might end up giving this away. So anyway, we'll hold on to that. That is actually a really beautiful palette, but I don't know. An awful lot of pink and red in there. Okay, and we got a face serum, which we have lots of face serum. And this one is, let's see. First, let me say the Poolside palette has a, I don't know if they have that value right because I have other IBY palettes that were more expensive than this, but the Poolside palette is estimated retail value is $20. Then the Tropical Naturals facial serum, it says all natural, lightweight, non-greasy formula created for all skin types to moisturize, restore elasticity, fight acne, and help with scarring. I think this might end up going into a trade because I don't even know anyone who has acne other than other YouTubers that I watch. So this sounds like it would be a good acne serum, but not necessarily for mature skin. So that's going to probably go. Okay, next thing. Hopefully I could get something that I want. There is Love Light Cosmetics and Healing Lip Gloss with Aloe, Jojoba, Vitamin E, Shea Butter, Happy Moisturized Lips all summer. Light up the wand and mirror. This is really pretty, so I think I might, I don't know, it's got an awful lot of glitter in it. I'm not going to open it until I decide whether I want to hold on to this or not. I'm going to do a little bit more reconnaissance / research about this and see if it's really that shiny on the lips. I probably won't want to wear it. I'm not sure that my mature lips are going to like sparkle. Okay, we also got Mudmasky Leave-On Summer Mask, $45. The Mudmasky masks that you leave on tend to be moisturizers, so let's see what the card says. Mudmasky Leave-On Summer Mask, $45, lightweight, SPF 15. Allergen-free formula made with 5 nourishing flowers with anti-aging benefits, moisturizing without making your skin oily. Awesome. So it has SPF in it. Now it's only SPF 15. I like higher, but most cosmetics, they're gonna be like around 15. This is something that out of this box is something that I want to try. Okay, and finally the last thing is this mask, and it's by Aloisia Beauty Aloe Stem Cell 3-in-1 Skincare System. It's got like a step 1, step 2, and step 3. It says retail value is $12.50. Plant-based stem cells, antioxidants, natural marine botanical ingredients to cleanse, replenish, and provide intense hydration for skin depleted from environmental stress or travel. I don't know that this might just be too much. I don't know. I guess you put you do the cleanser first, step 1, and then step 2 is serum, and step 3 is a massive bucket of mask. Yeah, I don't know. It looks, I can't tell whether it's a sheet mask or not. Let's see. Mask made of cellulose, whatever. So this must be a sheet mask that goes on. So you cleanse, you revitalize with serum, and then you put this mask on. I don't know. Not sure. Has anybody out there used this before, and do you like it? So anyway, there are not a lot of things in here for me that I will be holding on to. I probably won't hold on to... Probably will let the entire box go with the exception of the Mudmasky. Yeah, because I don't know. I'll try that. I know I will probably like that. I'm not sure about the Love Lights. It's very, very shimmery. I definitely think the face serum would be better for somebody with oily skin. And this, I just don't know that the colors are really colors that I would use. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really do help me. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And don't forget, I'll be announcing a giveaway at the end of August. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.